The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter is set to revolutionize the van market with its innovative design and technological advancements. At the heart of this transformation is the introduction of the van electric architecture, or VAN.EA, a modular and scalable platform that will underpin all future Mercedes-Benz vans. This architecture is designed to be versatile, accommodating both electric and internal combustion engine configurations. The front module of the platform houses the electric motor or engine, while the center module is adjustable to cater to different battery sizes and wheelbase lengths. This flexibility ensures that the Sprinter can meet a wide range of customer needs, from commercial applications to private luxury use. In a strategic move to adapt to evolving market demands, Mercedes-Benz has announced that the VAN.EA platform will also support internal combustion engines through a variant known as VAN.CA. This approach allows for approximately 70% of parts to be shared between electric and combustion models, streamlining production and reducing complexity. The decision reflects Mercedes-Benz's commitment to providing flexible solutions for customers, recognizing that the transition to electric vehicles may vary across different regions and industries. One of the standout features of the new Sprinter is its modular design, comprising 3 distinct blocks. The front block contains the powertrain and front axle, remaining consistent across all models. The center block is scalable, allowing for adjustments in vehicle length and battery capacity, which caters to various operational requirements. The rear block offers configurations with or without an additional electric motor, enabling options for front-wheel or all-wheel drive. This modular approach not only enhances the vehicle's adaptability but also simplifies manufacturing processes. Mercedes-Benz is also focusing on technological advancements to enhance the driving experience. The new Sprinter will feature the Mercedes-Benz Operating System, MB.OS, a proprietary platform that integrates infotainment, automated driving, body and comfort controls, and charging management. At launch, the system will support SAE Level 2 automated driving features, such as lane centering and adaptive cruise control. The company has ambitious plans to achieve Level 4 automation by the end of the decade, which would enable highly automated driving under specific conditions. The electric variant of the Sprinter has already demonstrated impressive capabilities. In a recent test, an eSprinter equipped with a 113 kWh battery successfully traveled 275 miles from Las Vegas to Long Beach, California, on a single charge. This achievement showcases the potential of electric vans to handle long-distance travel, making them a viable option for various commercial applications, including logistics and delivery services. Production of the new Sprinter models is scheduled to begin in 2026, with electric versions roll